Guys, what is up? How are you all doing? Today's video is yet another vlog. It's going to be sort of my attempt at a weekly vlog because I am just going out today, probably the only time in this week for grocery shopping with my mom, like grocery sort of knick-knack. We'll see how it goes. So I just figured that I'll film a few clips today and a few clips later on in the week and just put in my input for the day, be like, yellow, it's Monday. And it's Monday actually today, but I'll just put in my input every time I feel like it, if I'm about to film or something, or if I just wake up and I feel gross and I just want to put myself out there or something like that. So I will be sure to catch you guys and let me know if you enjoy these kinds of videos, because I'm not going to be up to very much in these next few days, I can assure you that. But if you enjoy these kinds of homey and talkative sort of vlogs, then comment down below and I can do them, because I really do enjoy watching people's vlogs and in which they're not doing a lot. They're just at their home with their families and stuff, and you know, they're just talking nonsense or just cleaning or just something like that. So I really like those, but let me know if you guys like those. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and turn your notification bell on so you do not miss out on any more of my videos, be it informative or non-informative. Okay, so my arm was hurting really bad. That's why I just propped you guys up here on this random setup. Anyway, I think I'm going to close this clip off here, and the next time I see you will be out and about. This is what our card looks like so far. Which one is my side? Hey again. So as you can probably tell, I'm back home and I'm sorry my hair is doing just a thing right now. But I figured because I didn't film so much, because my phone decided to die on me, I could show you guys what I got. Not in like complete detail, like TMI, but like general things. So starting from what you'd expect of me, I bought some makeup bits. I just recently purchased a concealer. A haul is going to be coming soon, but I'm trying to space out my hauls a bit because I feel like you guys would be really tired of hauls by now. So I have been looking for this concealer for a very long time. I ordered from this website once, but I ordered it and they were like, no, we went out of stock. They had Michelin as well. Now I don't know if you've heard about Michelin as a brand before. I saw so many people talking about Michelin concealer throughout the past year or so, and they were comparing it to the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer, and they were like, it's better than that, and I was like, and they only had one concealer left, and that was in my shade. This is in number 10, and this concealer, does it have a name? It's just a Michelin concealer. I got it in number 10, and this is what it looks like. This was for 714. The next thing makeup wise I got is this Essence eyeliner, which I love and swear by. They had, I mean, I tried it out. I didn't try it out in the store because they said it's not for testing purposes, but when I came back home I tried it and it was sort of dried out. Not dried out, it was giving like more of a grey than black. See, it's still pretty grey. I think I'm gonna go change it. I'm not sure about it, but normally this eyeliner works really great for me. After that I got my Holy Grail Nivea Soft. I was out of this one. I was using other creams, but seriously nothing else works better on my face than this one. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm eating right now. My mom is looking at me, but like this is roti made out of rice flour, and this is aloo matar palak, right? Yeah, and I love this. If you haven't tried this, you need to try it. Google the recipe and try it. Hey guys, it's Tuesday. So I haven't bothered to put a face on clearly today because I just didn't feel like it. You guys will be getting a lot of that in the weekly vlogs, because obviously nobody puts a full face on every single day, especially if you're not going out. Which I did actually go out today, but I didn't bother. On the agenda for today was putting a video up. Finally, I put the primer video up. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Yeah, I was about to tell you that I went ahead and got it changed. So I got this other liner. This is from Miss Lynn. Isn't it so tiny, guys? Where is the name? Yeah. So it's from the same company that I got the concealer from. It's pretty good so far. Should I swatch it for you guys? It has like a ball tip. I mean, that isn't the best swatcheroo, but like... Okay, so look at that. It's so black. I really like it, and it's a very thin line. Got this one for 630. I really like it so far. I haven't tried it on my eyes just yet, so we'll see. I have to film tonight as well, so I'll see you guys probably then. So remember when I was saying that I'll put a face on and do a video today? That didn't happen, did it? Oh my god, guys. It actually looks flattering, like unlike other masks. I look like one of those... I'll put up a picture here by what I mean, but you know, like face painted sort of a thing. It feels very hydrating and nourishing. The review will be up before this vlog goes up though, so I'll link it in the description box. I always say I'll link it up here, I'll forget. So I'll leave a link to it in the description box. Don't forget to watch. Also, I shouldn't be talking right now. These glasses go more with this vibe. I look so 80s right now. I like this side a lot. That side just never works with anything, but this side looks very... I don't know, it's very different for me. How do you guys like it? Let me know. I'll link Curls and Curves post down below so you can go check them out on Instagram and see how they did it. I think if you were to take like bigger chunks, this would work better. Sorry, I was just checking my charger. But yeah, I like them. Today's Thursday. I have a test tomorrow. I hate giving exams and tests. I'm really sorry for the noise because I live in a very noisy neighborhood. So yeah, that is the plan for today. I might prepare just a little bit for it. And what else do we have? Oh, a new video is going up today. It's about a sheet mask that I tried out. As said earlier, I'll link all the videos that I posted this week down below in the description box. So don't forget to please check them out. I'd love it if you could. So we just ordered KFC. Also, I really am loving my hair. I just wanted to get out of my room. Otherwise, you guys would be like, she literally stays in her room all day long. Which is true to some extent, but like, still. I'm going to go devour this. Not all by myself, partially. But that's it for, what is it today? Thursday. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Friday and I'm standing outside my home. I mean on the stairs. The light is pretty good here. I was just taking pictures and I was like I might as well vlog here. So it's Friday and I just came back from my interview and I just had a bit of a face on, so I figured I'll just vlog right now instead of showing you guys my dark circles and my groggy face. It's probably the last day of the vlog. I'll try to edit this all now. Today's notification shout out goes to this person right here. You guys are the best. Keep on commenting, keep on liking my videos. Let me know down below if you guys want me to continue these kinds of weekly vlogs because it's sort of obviously something new on my channel and I don't know how this is going to turn out. So let me know if you enjoy these kinds of videos. It was a bit of more insight into my life, I feel like, but I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Share it with your friends if you enjoyed it. I would really appreciate it if you could share my channel or any of my videos that you particularly enjoy. So loud. I need to go back. Where is the light? Yes, there it is. It's back! I can finally sit on my bed and vlog. I think I've said all the things that I've wanted to. You guys know it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, all the fun stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!